Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan, here to go over my trades for the day. If you guys could hit that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Just real quick, um, SMCI crept onto my scanner. I think sometime last week I kind of opened up the parameters of my scanner when I really want to be focused on mid caps because they don't trade as tightly to the market as large caps do. And the SPY really got slapped up today. This big pullback, I think, really affected everything in this sector. Well, at least SMCI, because it was just really strong. Also, I was trading again on as with pre-market high as support, and that's really what got me super involved at this level. And my bias was so strong because of pre-market high, and it's not really how I'm trying to roll. So today, as of today, I'm done with pre-market high. It's not. I want to trade off historical levels based on the daily chart, based on price moving into and away from a price over and over on a long period of time on higher time frames. So pre-market high is not that at all. I'm done with pre-market high. I'm also tightened up my scanner again just to keep out of the mid cap game. I really want smaller cap stocks that really can move off of a catalyst independent of the market. And I think the mid caps between 2 billion and 10 to 12 billion do that the best. And so I'm gonna try to focus on those.
BRUN.
Like, for example, FPS today. This is the top gainer today. Once I removed the large caps, this clearly stands out as the top gainer. You know, this could have been a cool little trade off of this level here. What that look like on the one anyway? Maybe, you know. Um, but yeah. Anyway, either way, I gotta do much better with my stock selection and my trade selection. And I think just focusing on the levels and being content with stocks that trade as I expect them to trade into those levels and just leaving alone everything else. So yeah, I ended up going down 4R in this spot and I had a couple dollars left of risk. And so I entered this with a really wide risk so that I have room for it to fluctuate. It did go up. Um, let's look at the one. It kind of better shows what I was doing here. I really felt like I could get it back. And I actually had some really great executions in here. It just didn't follow through after it pulled back here. But yeah, I added here with wide risk, took half off up here, and then added back, and then took another half off up here, and was hoping that we were going to pull back and then keep on trending up, but it did not do that. And so I also did not move my stop up to break even, ended up giving back the R that I grinded back. So that was kind of poor mismanagement at that part, for what I was trying to do at this part of the day. But curiously, I've kind of been thinking about trading this way through the trend, when I actually take a good trade off the level to actually sell the highs and buy back the lows. Um, so this was kind of fun, but all in all, traded this poorly on a stock that I probably shouldn't have been looking at. Going forward, I'll probably do an end of month review, but going forward, just want to focus on the daily levels, trading against those, and just leaving out everything else. I think if I just leave out everything else, all the trades in the range, and just focus on things that are coming back into levels and trading off of those, I think I'll really cut out a lot of the bad trades and hopefully get my accuracy up. That's really got to be the goal for next month. I just have to see better accuracy for myself. I have to. It's just been really bad. This month was 15%, lowest I've had in a long time. So gotta tighten up. Anyway, that's all I got, man. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Might have a study session tomorrow. We definitely need one. I gotta get some time in on the charts for sure. Anyway, appreciate you guys. Have a great weekend. Peace.